Okay, so I'm going to go through the first question on that was in the exit question. I think it is a little bit different because the lesson itself was on fractional indices, and it's really easy to forget what you've done before, but we have definitely done this. Okay, so I've got 2 to the power of 17 divided by 2 to the power of 10 in brackets squared. So here, to simplify it, we need to use the power of power law first. Let's do our brackets first. So I've got 2 to the power of 17, because if you use your bit maths, brackets come first, right? So let's get rid of the brackets. That's why we're doing that first. So I've got 2. The power of power law is, if you've got brackets and a power on the outside of the brackets as well as the one inside, you multiply the indices. Okay, so 10 times 2 is 20. The reason that works is because you've got 10, 2 to the power of 10 times by 2 to the power of 10, and when you multiply you can add those, and 10 add 10 is the 20. So if there's brackets, multiply the indices. Here, if we are dividing, the law of indices says that we can take away the powers if our bases are the same. So I've got 2, 17 take away 20. That is going to give me 2. 17 take away 20 is going to give me minus 3. Okay, the minute I see a negative indices, it means that I need the reciprocal of the number. So I'm going to have a reciprocal of 2 would be 1 over 2, but that is being cubed, and 2 cubed is 1/8. I mean, 2 cubed is 8, so I've got 1 over 8, and there is my answer. Some of your answers were not marked correct because some of you left your answers like this. Okay, it isn't incorrect. However, the question says give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So this is what they were looking for. If you were showing your workings in a test, you would get either an amber if it was the test that we are doing in class, or if it was GCSE exam, you would land up getting marks for the steps. So you would lose your accuracy marks mark over there if you got 2 to the power of negative 3, but you would not lose all of them. That's why showing your workings is really, really important.